Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. Today we're going to go ahead and do another unboxing and this time I have a pair of Edifiers. The model is R1850DB. I got them for like $140. I've been eyeballing them for a while. Usually they go for about $200 or so. I already have a pair of Edifiers that are sitting in the back. R1280T, just 2.0 bookshelf speakers, non-Bluetooth. But these, on the other hand, they have Bluetooth capability and they have subwoofer out capability. Even though they don't come with subwoofer, you can hook up any of your external subwoofer if you have one laying around. So before we open it, let's take a look at the box a little more. It does come with Bluetooth 4.1. It's got 2 sets of RCA inputs, got optical input, coax input, 70 watts RMS. I guess that's total. The box is pretty heavy. The speaker itself is a bit slanted up top. I really like the look on these things. Oh man, the fresh smell of speakers. This is gonna be quite a treat. Packaging wise is pretty good. This looks like a cleaning cloth. Then you have, I guess, the instruction manual. This is the cable that connects one speaker to the other. Oh. Every time I reach on the side, there's always something. Oh, this is nice. They give you all the cables that you need. A remote, optical cable, your RCA cables. Awesome. So this is why I'm a fan of Edifiers. They provide you with everything. A lot of other speakers, other brands, they don't give it to you. And I never understand why. They provide like part of it. And it would kill you to provide a little more, but these guys, they give you everything. Not only are their speakers of very good quality, they also, provide you all the things you need. Now to take the speakers out. All right, this is cool. Not only is it wrapped with a, plastic wrapper, each speakers are covered with this cloth. That's one. Oh my god, I didn't know it was piano black when I bought it. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, I love this. This is worth total satisfaction. So like I said, it's piano black finish. The grill is nice. There's the bottom screws. You have some rubber feet at the bottom. And then you have the back. You got your power switch. You have your left speaker. The cable that connects to it goes to that speaker. Then you have your coax, your optic, and then you have your 2 auxiliaries. And then this little sucker, it's a sub out. So it's a 3.5, and you can use that to directly connect to a subwoofer. Then you have your bass and your treble. I love these knobs. They're really nice. Let's open the grill just so we can see this thing up close. So much fingerprint. Look at this thing. I mean, this thing looks like a spaceship. There's your tweeter and your driver, and it's ported in the front. I love it. And this right here is your, well, for the remote. Oh yeah, almost forgot about these guys. They give you a remote. It's got, mute, power, volume, plus and minus. Then you have your optical cable. That's awesome. Saved me some money from buying another one. Then you have your RCA, and this, your 3.5 input output. I mean, you can use this for wherever you want, but for me, most likely I'll use it for the subwoofer. Then you have the cable. This thing is pretty long. I'm glad they provided a long, lengthy cable. I wonder how long this is. And then you have the user guide. Let's go ahead and hook this thing up and do some sound test. Ah, look at that. The light turns on. That little, it's blue. Maybe on the video it shows white, but it's actually blue. Take that. It's got the little plastic tab. Just yank it out so the remote is now activated. And let's see, power. Oy. Power, hey, cool. It turns off. And then power on. So remote's working. Awesome. First, let's do the auxiliary. So I'm going to select aux. And once you select aux, the light turns to green. Okay, so first thing first, you want to make sure the volume is down all the way. Okay, it should be like super low. Just keep in mind that even though these are near field monitor, which means that, you know, the best listening position are closer to you, I mean, they can fill up your room really, really well. So if you have a bedroom or a small living room where you want to use them as your main speakers with your TV or your gaming console or your computer, trust me, these will work very well. Oh, by the way, before I continue, just want to show you guys the settings in the back. So my treble and my bass, they're all set to mid. I haven't changed it. I'm just gonna see what it sounds like super flat. Let's play some dubstep. Oh yeah, that sounds really good. The bass is good, the treble is good, the vocal voice volume, whatever. I mean, all around, it's an all-arounder, you know, 2.0 setup. And I don't even have a subwoofer set up on this thing, but with a sub, I mean, it's gonna sound amazing. Let's go back to the music one more time, and let's see if I can pick something that's got a little more oomph to it. Oh, Robotron. Or Reborn. What? Robotron. I know it's going to go into the beats pretty soon, like the bass is going to start hitting, so when the bass is playing, I'm going to try to increase the bass volume in the back, just gradually increase it to see what that feels. Satisfaction to its best. I love a good set of speakers, and these, my friend, have won the battle for me. Alright, let's do some Bluetooth. I'm going to switch to Bluetooth on the remote. And for the Bluetooth, the little thing went blue. So let's see if I can find Edifier's available devices. Oh, hey, it did pick it up. Check it out. So I just hit I didn't press and hold anything, just turn on Bluetooth with the remote and Edifier, and it's gonna start pairing it. And it's connected. So let's do the same thing. Where's my copyright-free dubstep music? Here we go. I'll play the previous track. Alright, let's do some, let's see, gaming.
Let's begin.
Well, you get the idea. So yeah, overall, I am happy with these speakers. They're really good. Let's turn it off. And kudos to Edifiers for building such beautiful looking speakers. And I'll hook up a subwoofer to it later on. But even just without the subwoofer, I mean, these things, they're driving in the bass really well, especially since they're meant for near field. Even from far away, you'll still hear it, you'll still feel it. I mean, just on my desk, I mean, if I was sitting on my desk and I had my hands rested on top of the tabletop, I'm gonna get the feedback of bass coming in, and that feeling, that immersion, it makes all the difference. So there you have it, open box of Edifier R1850DB. All right, awesome. Let me know what you think. If you have any experience with these speakers as well, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And till next time, thanks for watching.